Chief Meteorologist Caleb Beesing here. Turns out I have a bit of a cough, but that does not stop the weather forecast. I know you're also wondering what happened to our intros. Well, apparently something happened, but I'm making sure it gets put back up, but there may be a change in intros as somehow our old intros got deleted from our queue. This is a sudden change. I don't know if it was because CapCut maybe have saw it as maybe copyright for some reason, even though we don't have any copyrighted music in there. But anyway, you may be seeing some forecasts unedited, at least not professional looking, for just a few days. Still have a whole area of heat advisories. Look at this corridor of just nothing but heat around here. This is the thing that we're talking about. We got everything in here. This is all heat. That's all heat, and that's because we have this stalled out high, upper level high. So basically this is high pressure put right here, and that means the high pressure there means that it's building up a lot of high pressure, and it's going to be building up that heat. And then we have a heat front that's stalled out like right around here, and then it's taking in that heat and stalling it out among these areas. And then we also have kind of a rotation that's going on around here. You'll notice, because a lot of forecasters are also saying storms that are over here will kind of go right over the central plain. So it's also kind of rotating those storms over us. So we will have less of that. And bigger news, we have hurricanes. We have the hurricanes. Let's go ahead and turn on tropical tracks. We have tropical storm tropical depression Harold is now moving into Texas. We are going to be seeing that move through Texas and go a bit into Mexico. A lot of those areas. It's mainly going to be a tropical depression by the time it hits Mexico. But people down in that area, I'm not going to pronounce it because it looks like Chihuahua, but I'm guessing it's not. But people down here in this area, please get ready. So we also have another one over here. If you look right here, we have Tropical Storm Franklin, and that is actually going to move to those several yellow indicators. Then it's going to turn into a hurricane, impact some parts of Puerto Rico here. Oh, wait, no. Okay, whatever. And you can also see Puerto Rico is already dealing with some big storms. And then you can see by the time it gets there, it actually turns into a Cat 1 hurricane. Cat 1, and then dies just right about here in the Bermuda Triangle. So, yeah. Anyway. So, you need to be aware of this, and, I'd recommend getting your plans ready. Hurricane Hilary is no longer with us. It is all the way up in the north, still producing showers and thunderstorms. But over here we have significant drought. So if you look, we'll go ahead and switch it over to our temperatures to show you our temperatures first. You can see relatively hot around here. Let me get rid of our alerts so you can see that better. So you can see we're dipping into the yellows and oranges, 76, 80 this morning. If we go from now all the way through the day, we can see those turn orange and eventually start turning red today. You want to be out on the lookout because this is going to be a very hot day. And here's from 4:50 a.m. all the way to 1:30 p.m. You can really see that dramatic temperature change here. So you want to be preparing. You want to know what you need to be doing. So learn the things of heat stroke. If you're having a symptom of heat stroke, call 911 immediately. Seriously. There's no cure to stop heat stroke on your own time. You probably want to go to the hospital before you die of heat stroke. Another good thing is go inside an air-conditioned room immediately when you call 911, just to put your already high at stakes life in a more controlled environment. And turn the volume to about, I would say, 60 degrees. Something like that. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.